In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method cash on delivery in Odoo website. Cash on delivery, or KOD, is a great option if your customers prefer to pay only when they receive their order. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Odoo and what to click so that this payment method appears on your website's checkout page. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can follow along directly in your own Odoo environment. First, from your main Odoo dashboard, look for the website app. This is usually displayed as an icon labeled website. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you into the website management area where you control everything your customers see on the front end, including the online shop and checkout settings. Once you're inside the website app, move to the top menu bar and find the option labeled Configuration. Click on Configuration. This section groups together all the settings related to your website, such as e-commerce, shipping, and of course, payments. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Under Configuration, look for Payment Methods and click on it. This opens a list of all the payment methods that are available in your Odoo system, including ones like credit card, bank transfer, and your cash on delivery option. Here, you can see which methods are already active and which are currently disabled. In the list of payment methods, find the entry related to cash on delivery. On the left side of the row, you'll see a small box. Click on this small box to select that specific payment method. Selecting it lets you apply changes to that method, such as activating or deactivating it. After selecting the cash on delivery method, look for the toggle or switch that controls its status. You'll see an option to turn it on or off. Toggle it on to activate the payment method. When the toggle is on, it means cash on delivery is now enabled for your website. Once this is active, customers checking out on your online store will be able to choose cash on delivery as their payment option. That's all you need to do. By going through the website app, opening configuration, selecting payment methods, clicking the small box for cash on delivery, and toggling it on, you've successfully